Hello everyone. Today we're going to have a look at how to do back indexing in Microsoft Word. Back indexing is a very important component in writing a book chapter, especially when coming to a hard copy of the book. Back indexing helps the readers to quickly identify where a specific keyword is present within the book, which are the pages that particular keyword is appearing frequently. Here I am presenting a sample list of keywords at the end of the chapter. This back indexing keywords usually refers to what are all the page numbers in which this particular keyword is appearing within this document. When we combine this all the chapters together as a book volume, towards the end, a comprehensive list of all the back indexing keywords along with the pages in all the chapter where this particular keywords is frequently appearing will be given. This will help the readers to easily identify the keyword or the topic that they are looking for. I'm going to quickly walk you through how to index these keywords using Microsoft Office Word. First, on the top panel, go to the references section of the Microsoft Word where you can see a specific section called as indexing. This is the section we are going to use for back indexing. For this chapter, let me identify a few keywords. First, this is one of the main keywords that I want to highlight and go for mark entry within the index panel. Click on mark entry and you will get this small window opening. Go ahead and click mark all. This means all the pages wherever this particular keyword is appearing, it will be marked. It will be added to the list. As soon as you do this for the first time, you close this and you will see that this symbol appears in all the lines or the paragraph endings and beginning. This is nothing but a paragraph marker. Don't worry about it. I will show you how to remove it at the end. If you go to the home tab, this is the icon that removes that symbol. So all you have to do is just click it to hide it. That is an inbuilt feature that's always there. It's just not visible to us on a daily basis. When you activate this back indexing feature, this paragraph symbol will appear. So you can click on this to see the paragraph ending and beginning. If you just double click this again, you will hide that symbol. So let us continue with marking all the keywords. Tolerance index, mark entry, mark all. Choose fungal isolates, mark entry, mark all. Once you are done marking all the keywords, go to the last page after the references section and leave a space for heading and then you click on this option which is insert index. Once you click on this, you can accept the default settings and press OK. And if you disable the paragraph symbol, you will see that all your back indexed keywords are now listed along with the page numbers that where this particular keyword is appearing is listed. We request the authors to at least identify 10 keywords for back indexing, which helps in overall to produce a comprehensive list of important keywords that are relevant to all the chapters are highlighted at the end. This is an easy way for back indexing important keywords in the book chapter.